Hey kiddos, this is Mrs. Rowley with a quick tutorial over Workplace 5D, 3 spins to win. Now remember, the first instruction is all about the materials that you need, which are embedded into this platform. So we're going to skip right to step 2. Each player rolls the die. The player with the higher number is player 1 and goes first. Player 1 takes their turn. They spin to find out what kind of coin or bill to take, nickel, dime, quarter, or dollar bill. Then they roll the die to find out how many of that coin or bill to take. After taking the designated number of coins or bills, player 1 counts them to find the total value and records it on the spin 1 row in their table on the record sheet. And this shows the record sheet. This person in the example, they landed on a dime. They rolled the die. It was a 3, so they put 30 cents here. Player 2 takes the same actions as described in step 3 and records the results on the spin 1 row in their table on the record sheet. Players take turns spinning and rolling, collecting and counting the designated number of coins or bills and recording the results until they have each taken 3 turns. Players then find their grand total. First, they add the money in each column. Then they add the totals in the bottom row of their table on the sheet. Players double check their totals by counting all the money they've collected. Each player records their grand total in one of the boxes at the bottom of the record sheet, and they work together to record the symbol needed to compare the 2 totals accurately. Here's your less than, equal, or greater than sign. The player with a greater total wins the game. Let's check out the game board. So here we are. Again, to decide who goes first, you're going to toss the dice. Once you have a player, once you have player 1 and player 2 decided, player 1 will spin the spinner. Whatever it lands on, then you're going to toss the die. This is 3. That means that you're going to take $3 here. Now, if you don't need to hold the money to keep track of it, that's okay. You don't have to. Then you're going to write in your total. And we've worked on these symbols, so we know that this is $1. Oh, sorry, but we have more than that, don't we? We actually have $3. Beautiful, just like that. All right, then player 2 will go. You know me, I like to change up my colors. So they're going to do the same thing. They're going to spin the spinner. Oh, we'll say that landed on a dime. Roll the die, which is 6. And then, again, some kids are going to be able to decide how much money that is in their head, and some kids are going to want to pull the money aside. Either way, it's okay. I'm more of a visual person, so I like to have what I'm doing right in front of me. So I have 6 dimes. Now I'm going to count it. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We're going to go to this row. We're going to type in. Well, how about we write it in? We're going to type write in 60 cents. And then you keep going until you have taken 3 turns. And then your job is to total. So you're going to total your columns first. So you're going to look down the column and write the total. Look down the column and write the total. And by the time you have 3 turns, you'll probably have more than 1 row filled. So you look down the column, bring everything down, total it. And then you're going to total the row. So maybe this piece here, maybe player 1's might look like 5 cents, 15 cents, something like that. So then again, you're going to just total it. This is 20 cents. This is $3. And we're making these marks so we know the difference between the two. So this would be $3.20. And then you're going to make a comparison. $3.20 and 70 cents. And again, I don't know that it's super important at this stage of the game that you know the correct names for these inequality symbols, but understanding how to set them up is really important. And through all my years of teaching, it is still, it's always worked. It's fail proof that you think about this as a mouth of an animal. In my day, we said it was an alligator, and the mouth is always open to the bigger amount. And so that's how we remember it. This is the greater than sign. But again, if you don't remember those terms, I don't think it's such a big deal right now. So $3.20 is greater than 70 cents. All right, and that's how you play this game. I think it's a nice culmination of identifying coins and counting money, and I hope it will really help as we look forward to our assessment on Monday. So find a parent, a sibling, or a friend and play a couple rounds. Don't forget to take a screenshot and load it into Seesaw.